Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, save any unsaved work and pause streaming so nothing corrupts. Next, identify the router, its power adapter, and whether it's on a surge strip or wall outlet. This matters for full power removal. Observe and remember LED patterns, power, internet, Wi-Fi, because these tell you baseline status and help when troubleshooting later. Once you've verified devices and LEDs, you're ready to perform the first physical disconnect safely and deliberately. You should power down using the router's button if it has one. This reduces file or cache corruption. If no button exists, firmly grasp the power adapter plug at the outlet and pull it straight out. Do not yank cables. Then, if troubleshooting a modem router chain, unplug the Ethernet between modem and router to isolate devices. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. This pause lets residual charge bleed off and clears temporary memory, ensuring a clean reboot state. You'll reconnect in order. Modem first so it achieves a carrier lock, then plug the router back and so it negotiates WAN and LAN addresses cleanly. Make sure you wait 2 to 3 minutes for lights to stabilize. Watch for the correct LED sequence. Power, modem sync, WAN, then Wi-Fi, because deviations point to specific failures. If you still have no internet, power cycle the modem once more, try a different outlet or power strip, and contact your ISP if lock light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.